Alright guys, so I just installed this thermostat housing on this 2004 BMW X5 3.0i. So I removed this plastic garbage from it. So this is what leaking. All of these cars that I come across of this leak from this plastic thing oftentimes crack right in the groove there and leak. So install this one. So it carry a 13, let me see if I can get you guys to see it. So I carry a 13 bolt to the top right here, and the other rest right here is 10mm. So one right here and two going underneath the bottom. So this can see one right there, that's my finger pointed at, and there's the other one which is Saki-san. That's it right there. So I'm just gonna tighten up these bolts and get it right, guys. So I'm going to do the 10mm. Alright, so see if I can get the one to the bottom right here. Alright, so I'm just gonna drop on them a little with my ratchet handle, get it a bit tighter. So that's it right here, guys. Just need to get this wire loom over this piece back. So then go right here. I need to put back the clip. There's a clip I removed from it. This clip. Remove this clip from the wire loom. Alright, so it goes something like this. Alright, so let me see if I can get it plugged in. So I guess it turned like this. There's a little groove. Alright, and here that snap. So proper secure right here. Wire loom above. Alright, so now I get that one on. See if I can get the top one on also. Alright, and there you go. And that's it right there, guys. So I get all the hose on, sensor plug up, and that's it right there. So just have the fan clutch to install, and there you go. So that's right here for now, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.